Eckold is the manufacturer of the approved and worldwide famous cold forming technique of sheet metal and profile sections. Eckold technique means cold forming of sheet metals. Let me introduce you the hand former machine HF80. It is the smallest one in the Eckold range. A wide and varied tooling range is available, offering complete manufacturing solutions for every sheet metal workshop. Eckold offers shrinking, stretching, punching, notching and edging. All these tools are operating at a minimum of noise. Shrinking and stretching of sheet metals is achieved by the hand lever's repeated working cycle. The hand former achieves fine detailed work up to a maximum of 1.5 millimeters or 16 gauge mild steel components. The simple but effective shrinking tool action can be seen when the tooling jaws are moving towards each other and finally compressing the material. The tooling change is done rapidly and easily with the SSP quick change coupling. Stretching tool and shrinking tool are complementing each other. For the stretching, both jaws are moving away from the center, stretching the material in a controlled way. The beak-shaped tool is used for forming U-profiles as well as thin metal sheets, for example for finishing, fine-tuning and correcting jobs. The Eckold tools with synthetic jaw plates have been developed for most sensitive jobs without damaging the surface. They are mostly used in the aerospace industry. Synthetic jaws are also available in beak-shaped tooling. The HLA60 is for shrinking, and the HLR60 for stretching. With the nudging tool ASW42, rectangle nudging can be achieved. The tool is equipped with an adjustable stop, allowing parallel cuts and 45-degree angle cuts. The tool LSW1 punches round holes at a diameter from 3.2 up to 8.5 millimeters or from 1/8 inch up to 5/16 inches. The edging tool AK250 with an adjustable stop completes the Eckold sheet metal workshop. With the Eckold tool ASW54, the profile can be brought to a desired shape in another way. The Eckold HF80 can be adjusted to the operator's ideal working height. The hand former HF80 can be fitted with an optional pneumatic drive PA80. Fitted with the PA80, an upgrade of the HF80 is possible. By the help of a foot pedal and stroke control, the workpiece can be guided with both hands being easily controlled. The hand former HF80 can also be delivered without a stand. For example, the head can be fixed in a vise. The handformer HF80 is one of the most versatile machines in our program, doing its job in many different industries. The abilities of the HF80 are known worldwide. Some examples are the adjusting and finishing of veteran cars and prototype vehicles, as well as the fixing of wheelhouse arches. The handformer has also various applications in the aerospace industry. In this case, the Eckold tools with plastic jaw plates are necessary to achieve non-surface marking of the workpiece. The handformer is often used when manufacturing illuminated signs for buildings. The desired shapes are reached quickly and precisely. The Eckold handformer HF80 is widely spread in the plumbing industry, for example giving this Z profile its final shape. In order to get this design, the shrinking and stretching tools are used alternately. The Eckold forming technique is definitely integrated into the education of young staff. Mr. Mathis at the training center in Bern operates with the Eckold handformer HF80 for many years in practical education. I am very happy with the Eckold handformer. Because the tool is used carefully, I've not had to have it repaired all the time. For the components with thicker materials, we use other Eckold machines, being larger and more powerful. For larger parts and thicker metal sheets, a complete program of Eckold machines is available for the metal sheet workshop with greater throat depth and more power covering all your needs. The handformer HF80 is an all-purpose machine for 1001 possibilities. For your sheet metal workshop, it is a must.